Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova Y91. In this video I'll show you how to use Huawei Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to Huawei Assistant. Enter AI voice and make sure that this function is enabled. If it's not, select My Info, Next, Agree, Next, Agree, Done, and now it's enabled. Then make sure that Wake with power button is also enabled, and then lock the screen. Press and hold power button for 1 second. What's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.